Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfi Azaria Roja with NPM 2331156. In this video, I will tell you about what is algorithm, its characteristic, provide several examples, and discuss different types of algorithm application in everyday life. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a systematic sequence of steps designed to solve a specific problem or achieve a particular outcome. The purpose of algorithm help us in the problem-solving process by breaking complex problems into manageable parts. Example is everyday example is algorithm can be found the shapes, but each step must be followed to achieve their desired result. Technology example, Google search algorithm helps find relevant web pages quickly. When we use Google, the algorithm is when we want to search some YouTube video or any other thing, the algorithm is the Google will search the web page quickly. The characteristic of an algorithm. Every algorithm should have a defined end. For example, a recipe that are limited numbers of steps and ends when the piece is ready. Each step in an algorithm must be clear and unambiguous. Instance, add 1 tablespoon of sugar is a clear step, while add some sugar is not. So we must be clear when telling the algorithm not just add some sugar, but we must say it add 1 tablespoon of sugar. More specific, then algorithm typically require inputs to produce outputs. Example, mathematical formula takes number as input and return an answer as output. Effectiveness is step in an algorithm should be simple enough, reasonable. So for the simple example, is algorithm for making. Number one step is we will boil water. Every step when you want to make it, is boil the water first, and then place tea leaves or tea bag. So number two algorithm is placing the tea leaves or tea bag in the cup, not putting the sugar first. Then pour hot water into the cup. So we must pour the hot water into the cup when the water is already boiling. Then after that, we will add the milk or sugar if desired. Okay. Then the last algorithm is stir, and serve that tea. For the explanation is making tea the simple example of an algorithm that demonstrates how each step is crucial in achieving the desired result. Why are algorithms important in programming? So yeah, for the efficiency is algorithm enable us to optimize tasks, reducing time and research. For example, sorting algorithm help organize data quickly. And problem-solving framework algorithm provide a structured way to solve problems with breaking them down to multiple steps. And for example, is sorting. Use it to arrange a list of names alphabetically. So, and then searching helps locate information in a database or on the web. Then we go to the type of algorithm. Category of algorithm. The first one is sorting algorithm. Use it to arrange data in a specific order, like bubble sort, merge sort, etc. Then searching algorithm. Use it to find data within a data set, like a linear search, binary search engine. Then next is computational algorithm, used for calculation or operation on data, common in data science. The next is pathfinding algorithm, find optimal routes like in navigation system, DISCRA algorithm. And then we go to example of binary search is binary search is a technique that divides a sorted dataset into halves to quickly find an item. For instance, finding a word in dictionary by jumping into the middle and then selecting the correct half. Go to real-world application of algorithm. Application in technology. The first one is web search engines. Algorithms power search engine, determining the relevance and ranking of search results. Two is data processing and analysis. Algorithms are used to organize, filter, and process a large amount of data. Machine learning and AI. Machine learning and AI. Algorithms enable computers to learn from data and make predictions. For example of application in everyday life like navigation, like Google Maps, GPS system calculate the fastest route using pathfinding algorithm. And then recommendation, like streaming platform use algorithm to suggest show or movie based on past feeding activity that you see. Like when you watching movie or horror movie, they will suggest you another horror movie. And third is finance. Algorithms are used in stock trading to predict trends and automate trades. Next is algorithm design consideration. Factors to consider in design. First one is time complexity, how long the algorithm takes to run, space complexity, the memory of storage and algorithm requires, scalability, how well the algorithm performing with large datasets. Last thing is recap and takeaways. For summaries, today we discussed that what algorithm is, share characteristic, provide simple example, and explain various types of algorithm and their application in technology. My final thought is understanding algorithm enhances our ability to think logically, solve problems systematically, and optimize solution. Maybe that's all from me. I will end the video right here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.